Oh, it sounds serious. Hey friend, welcome back. At my previous post, I had shared my latest update about my YouTube and also my comebacks in August. So here I am. It's time to get cozy and candid in my very first super honest Q&A. I'm actually a bit nervous and I haven't done this before, but I will try to do my best. If you are curious about me on my channel, let's get started. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Mao. I'm currently working and living in Bangkok, Thailand. In my free time, I'm studying both Mandarin Chinese and Thai. Hence, in this channel, I explore different strategies and tools that can help us along the language learning journey, how to live happier and healthier, and making time for our passions. Okay, now let the true fun begin. So the very first question is, where are you from? I have been received this question from many people, whether I'm from big city like Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, but actually I'm from Ngọc Hồi, Con Tum, a small town located in central highlands of Vietnam. This place holds a unique geographical position as it shares the border with both Laos and Cambodia, creating an intersection among three countries. I was born and spent my childhood here until I 11 years old. The second most frequently asked question for me is, why did I move to Thailand? There are a few reasons why I choose to move to Thailand. Firstly, my current company is based here, so it's reasonable for me to move to Thailand. Additionally, I have always dreamed about living in another country, and Thailand represents a good opportunity for me to fulfill my dream. Moreover, I think it feels very personal for me because as I always have my own self-doubt and thinking that I'm not good enough, always try to compare myself to other people. I wasn't graduated from international school or study abroad or like having a very fancy degree compared to other people. So moving to Thailand and work in an international environment is really a way to explore my different capabilities and a way to challenging myself. Another question is, what do you think about Thailand? Can summarize my thoughts in 3 sentences. Firstly, Thai people have strong mindset of delivery excellent services, which like you can see, it attracts lots of tourists all over the world. Secondly, the traffic here are sometimes chaotic and organized at the same time. It's surprising to me where people are very much relaxed and calm when they are stuck in traffic jam. Lastly, finding a condo with affordable price and a good condition is super easy here. When I first moved here, after 2 weeks of my company's sponsorship, staying at a hotel, I can find a condo immediately in 1 week, which is insane. Another question was more about my personality. Are you an introvert or extrovert? Well, I could describe myself as an ambivert. I enjoy engaging in conversations and talking to many people, sharing ideas and opinions, which is a trait of an extrovert. But at the same time, like I also need my own space and need my own time to recharge my battery, which aligns with the trait of an introvert. Now, over the time with multiple experience and also take various personality tests, I think I get deeper understanding about who I am and what I like. I will put something down below if you are curious and eager to learn more about yourself. Another question about my work. What is a partnership development manager position? As a partnership development manager, my role involves leveraging partnership to different approaches and tactics. I focus on supporting my partner to achieve our mutual goals while benefit our clients. While this role is not as popular like sales or account manager, it plays a crucial part for the company to reach to new heights. Partnership acts as catalyst for fostering business growth and utilizing alliances to create bigger impacts. Next question will recall some memory. Which major did you study back in university? I studied international business. Back then, when I was 18 years ago, I didn't have a clear goals or a image in mind who I want to become. At the time, I chose to study business because it seemed to be a popular path and many people around me want to choose the same thing. And my family believed that it could lead to financial sustainability in the future. As I progress in my study and gain more life experience, I have realized my interests and goals, and I now focus on working in the role of partnership, also like practicing yoga, becoming yoga trainer, and also spend a lot of time learning languages, or like doing YouTube is another thing. The journey of self-discovery is very valuable as I know who I am, what I want to become, and find out what's really make me happy. The next question is related to the channel. Why did you choose to learn Mandarin Chinese? Well, I think I have shared in my previous video, you can check it here, but it's always come very natural for me to learn new languages. And I think I had built that genuine interest through learning foreign languages like English, Thai, and then now it's Chinese. Chinese hold a special place in my heart as it has a rich culture and history of development. And as a more realistic goal to become very good at English, I think it's because I really want to have a better life and like better job in the future. The next question is like, how do you manage to learn Mandarin Chinese and Thai at the same time? Well, I think like managing to learn two languages at the same time require a well-structured approach. As Mandarin Chinese is my dominant language, so I dedicated 1 to 2 hours a day to learn Mandarin Chinese and enjoy different activities involved around Mandarin Chinese, like listen to music, watching the shows, or immerse myself into the culture, like traveling to Taiwan or Penang, Malaysia, where Chinese is very popular. On the other hand, for Thai, I immerse myself into Thai culture and like food and traveling and spend less formally time for learning. What kind of songs are you listening to now? My choices of song depends on my mood and my focus on learning different languages. So if I feel tired or need some mood boosting songs, I will go with either US, UK or Korean songs and want to make some move while mumbling the lyrics. For a moment when I seek like deep reflection, I will go with Chinese song as it helped me to have a deep connection with myself. Dogs or cat? I prefer dogs and I am a dog person. Even though I have a negative experience by get bitten by 2 dogs at the same time, but I still love them, especially Corgi. I find Corgi particularly adorable and relaxing to be around with. At the same time, I've grown more comfortable with cat and less afraid of cat now. The next question will be related to yoga. Why did you become a yoga trainer? I have been practicing yoga for the last 6-7 years, and at some point, I want to gain a deeper understanding to become a yoga trainer so I can guide other people in need. And like yoga, it have different style and variation. Even myself, I feel quite confused about these kind of variations and styles. Becoming a yoga trainer has allowed me to be certain about what I am doing and not clarify all the misconceptions. Plus, at some point, back then, 2-3 years ago, I felt bored by practicing yoga day by day and different poses. So by becoming a yoga trainer, it's really give me a bigger goal and reignite my passion for doing yoga. What would you recommend to someone wanting to start doing yoga? Well, if you are considering practicing yoga and you are new to it, I think it's very important to know why you want to do it. It can be for some people, their goal is to have losing some cages. Some other people want to find some peacefulness, mindfulness, and tranquility. Or some just want to try something new. And based on your motivation or your goals, you can choose what types of yoga that suit you the best. I actually think that Hatha yoga is quite safe for everyone to start with, so you can searching more about Hatha yoga. And then it's important to find trusted sources or trusted yoga trainer to learn from. I recommend yoga with Adrian. I also start yoga with learning from Adrian. And if you still have no idea why you want to practicing yoga, my advice is just start at a journey of 1,000 miles. Start with a single step, and by only practicing yoga, you will understand the benefit of doing it. This one is a tricky one. Seems like you are doing many things. How do you manage your time? Managing my time effectively involves prioritizing tasks and hobbies that are relevant and important to me. More importantly, I willingly let go of things that no longer serve me. And another secret is that every quarter, I will choose to focus on one big goal. In Q1 this year, besides working, becoming a yoga trainer is my main focus. So every day after working or early in the morning, I will practice yoga or spend time learning different lessons on my portal. In Q2 this year, I'm focusing on become a YouTuber. So a lot of time learning part-time YouTube course, and at the same time learning how to editing, filming, scripting, everything's on my own. And then now, like what I'm doing is by optimal way to embed it, all the learning into my life and optimize the process. What are your goals with YouTube? My goal with YouTube is to become a well-known YouTuber in my niche of language learning and having a well-rounded life by creating valuable content for like-minded individuals. And I think it's important to be consistent and continuously upgrade my skill. What advice would you give to your 20 years old self? To my 20 years old self, or people at your 20 years old, I want to offer two pieces of advices. The first one is have faith in yourself and believe in your capabilities. It might be cliche, but don't let self-doubt hold you back from your old dream. In my early 20s, I easily get affected by other opinions of how the girl should look like or which career can give you big money. But now, as I have realized about who I am, I just laser focus on what I want to become. And those things, I felt actually it just doesn't matter anymore. And secondly, don't be afraid to try something new. Embrace all changes and challenges, as will give you clarity about who you are. My first trip abroad is when I was 21 years old. Grab a bus from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam to Phnom Penh, Cambodia with not much money in my pocket. And since then, I have traveled to more than 15 countries all over the world, and I will keep my curiosity and exploring new things. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And if you like the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about my language learning, you can click here. Are you curious about how I 5x my salary and move to Thailand? The video is here. And that's it. Thank you and see you in the next video.